Hello, I guess you are doing great. So welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Happy Moses TV channel. Yes, God bless you. I want to say thank you so much for many of you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming. Thank you for liking it. Thank you for subscribing today, and thank you for your comments on those food and cooking or anything I post. God bless you. Remain blessed, and please don't forget, if you have not liked this video, go ahead and like it. Ciao. Bye bye. Hello viewers. I hope you are doing great. So welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Happy Moses TV channel, or the Happy Moses channel. Anyone you call me, I will answer. God bless you. So quickly, let me go there. Into this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make egusi soup in the easy way, local way, without not spending a lot of money to make the food for your family that will last you for 2 to 3 weeks. So, and at the same side, I'm also cooking okra soup, added a little bit of bolo inside. So I have with me here, I'm trying to show you. Okay, so this is what I'm using for today's soup. I'm going to make ogbono soup and egusi soup. So you see, I have different type of meat over here. I have cow meat, I have turkey, I have stockfish, I have fresh meat and dry one. So I have also one more that I've just boiled. So I'll add that one to it later. So yeah, and I have Q, pepper, salt, and all. Don't forget to subscribe. So watch to the end and enjoy this video with me. Bye bye. This I'm using for today. So this is my ogbono, okra, the stock, blended egusi, the crayfish, the black leaf I'm using, the oil. So these are my dry fish I'm using. I'm combining it with this one. So this meat is going to be shared into two for the two soup. Okay, yeah. So here I have for the egusi, the water already. This is the oil for the ogbono. Keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. I will add my ogbono now. So I'll go ahead now and add my egusi that I'm using. So I blended it. So I will turn it now and mix them together. Add okra to it. Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. God bless you. Happy viewing. Bye. So guys, the soup is ready. So I'm eating it with amala. I'm eating it with amala. Come on, join me. Oh, what is it now? Good on. Me, I carry you me for that video. Now you're too define. So, amala. Super. My dinner. So please subscribe, okay? Share and like. God bless you. So thank you for watching. God bless you. So let me enjoy my food in Rue. Bye bye. Ciao. Bye bye. Bye bye.